ki artili ki regional committee ki balathau dak sarkar Assam bat sarkar Meghalaya hadien balada pandit jurip sigi cakawa per ki badan hakaput ki badan hapdeng jong kejing ka jak haput hapdeng ke jala Meghalaya bat Assam hadien ke jinglap bat ke jingsyam menta ka si ka pratrik no pra la lej ban IT ya ka report so mentirang ba ke jala Meghalaya konrad ki sangma kawai ni kini regional committee ka de jong ka riboy ya ka balakhli do ba prostun tensong kat ba ka regional committee jong ka west kasil district lakhli do ba riniton lingdo tongkhan nakaliang jong ba prostun habai kren bat kilap thai khobor luong kini regional committee ka balathau de ki artli ki sarkar jala ka Meghalaya bat Assam bat kini regional committee jong ka jala Meghalaya ki hapan IT ya ka report hau mentirang ba ka Meghalaya kat ba jong ka Assam pat ki hapan IT hau mentirang ba jong ka jala Assam Uba prostun ula penpau bikin omla ban penpau pai ba yak report ke jinglap ke jungki namar ba menta kaladon hakti jong menteri rang ba bat kabasa kalong ba menta hakini ki menteri rang ba bakin puli bnia yakini ki report bat ya menta kin omla ban batai yak jingsham ke jungki yak ke bakila IT menta kesingi.
Today we have submitted the report of the regional committee constituted by both the government of Assam and government of Meghalaya. And because in the chief minister's meeting they decided that the report should be submitted separately. The government of the committee, regional committee from Assam, they will submit directly to the chief minister of Assam, and then the regional committee from Meghalaya will submit direct the report to chief minister of Meghalaya. So accordingly, the regional committee of Ribhoi district, we have just submitted the report to the Honorable Chief Minister. I think it is not appropriate for me to tell you about ong bangan patay ya detail si report ke juni. Namarkan ni kadai report kami submit kum ka terms of reference kaba nakalian jong ka baru anwut ke Chief Minister klairai te ngi nakalian jongi ngilai submit bat kabasa kalau mentah sa kini ke anwut ke Chief Minister bakin study ka di report na daw ya mentah nga namakan bakai detail ka report ka ngi submit nakalian committee until unless nakalian kami jong ki Chief Minister jongi na Meghalaya but Chief Minister jong Assam din le bedukam. See, for that I think the best the best question it can be put, maybe it can be asked to the Honorable Chief Minister, not to me. Because from our side is what I'm telling you, the regional committee is only, their duty is to inspect and prepare report. Joint inspection has been done and accordingly the report is just submitted today. So that is our duty to do, and we look forward that both the chief minister will sit down immediately and ultimately they'll take a decision. See, this is the physical inspection that we made. It is always there. Some of them they may say we prefer to go to Assam. Some of them they will say we will go to Meghalaya. But I'm telling you, as the responsibility of the regional committee is one. We listen to them, and number two, the historical facts have to be there, geographical facts has to be there, ethnicity facts has to be there, and also the willingness of the people has to be there. So these are the criteria where we ultimately submitted a report. See, that question again is beyond the terms of reference. I don't think you can ask me this question, give and take. Because the question of give and take, in fact, it does not arise right now. Because we have submitted a report, as I said. We after inspection, we have gone down up to the ground zero, and we have seen all the factuality, all the reality. So therefore, we submitted the report. So as I said to you, I think the Chief Minister or Chief Minister from Meghalaya and the Chief Minister from Assam, they will sit down, they will read line by line the report submitted by the respective regional committee, and I'm sure they'll come to a conclusion.
So by when the government is going to hold consultations with the stakeholders, including political parties?
Yes, see, before we going down to meet the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, very soon CM will fix the date, and we will have a consultative meeting with all the stakeholders, and that I think CM will inform you the date, but we will do it as early as possible. Please bear with us. because the report has been submitted. So the highlights of the report, I think I'm not the one to explain to you. That's what I'm saying. You need to ultimately ask the Honorable Chief Minister. Maybe he can mention some highlights out of the recommendation made by the regional committee, which is very difficult for me to reply. I already told you very, very clearly. We prepared the report and also the recommendation according to the inspection on the ground zero, number one. Number two, according to the terms of reference indicated by both the Chief Minister. So accordingly, the report. Our Chief Minister will have a meeting with all the stakeholders, be it the political parties, be it the same, be it the council, be it the NGOs. He will first have a meeting with all of them, and thereafter meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam will be fixed by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. We already decided in the meeting of both the Chief Minister that Assam Regional Committee will submit the report to the Assam Chief Minister, and then Meghalaya Regional Committee will submit the report to Meghalaya Chief Minister.
And when will they open the reports? Because both sides...
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Next course of action is, number one, our Honorable Chief Minister will hold a meeting with the concerned stakeholders, sit down with all the concerned stakeholders, and thereafter he will fix the meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. The ball now is in the court of both the Chief Minister. They need to decide, they need to sit down, walk out, and then bring out the solution. That's it. I think I can't reply beyond that.
Nakaliang jongba rinik ton lingdo tongkar habai kran bat klap thai kubor lo ong ba menta kasi kidang sudah ban IT yak report jong kachingsham ka regional committee kabudan hadu arspa rupsan sala ka kaipot yak ba menta kimpat la ban kan thoi ai halo ka report bala IT hau miti rongba.
We have just submitted the report of the regional committee. So I'm happy to inform you that we as members of the committee, we have really worked hard and we have been able to submit the report today to the Chief Minister. It's a thick report, 265 pages report we have submitted. So now it depends on the government now to call again for a state level meeting. And of course, we wish all the best to the government to be able again to take up with Assam, and based on the report that we have given, we hope a positive response will be there from both state government to settle the problem that our people in the border are facing. So as of now, I don't want to share the insight of the report, but because the Chief Minister and with the committee again at the state level will check which one that we can disclose and which one we cannot disclose. But the only thing is that I have submitted the report, we have submitted the report, and I think it's very positive towards the people residing in the border area. I hope it will be in the interest of the state, in the interest of the people residing in the borders. So that is the report, like that it will be in the interest of the people residing in the border. The give and take policy, as you know, people they don't like that word, so I will not say also give and take policy, but it's justified according to the factors that it has been laid to consider for the decision of both the state government to decide whether it will fall under Assam or Meghalaya. That it has been considered wisely, positively. I hope it will be for the betterment of the people residing in the border area only. Of course, that's what we wanted, that the joint visit, we don't want to have any differences. We want to be same report, and I wish it will be the same only, the joint report, the joint inspection that we have done. But yes, it's not only the joint inspection. The committee, the regional committee, we have discussed other thing also, other factor also to put under consideration. So, of course, Mainly, it's the finding that we found on the joint inspection, and it will be similar. I hope Assam also will give the similar report that we have given, because most of the thing we base on the finding that we found while going to the spot, to the villages.
What were the views of the majority of the border residents during your joint visit?
Yeah, they have expressed their will. That's the only thing. We have made them to express their will. We have given the chance to them, even though there are sometimes that they are worried that they may not get a chance, but at last we have managed to give them a chance to speak out whatever they wanted to say. So we have given fair chance to them. Since we are going to meet again, because Chief Minister's level meeting will take place, we hope that it will be taken place this month.